welcome back to my channel, and today is the continuation of the same topic, obsessive compulsive disorder. And now I will discuss the categories of obsessive compulsive disorder patient. So categories of obsessive compulsive disorder patient. First one is washer, means afraid of contamination. Those patients are afraid of contamination and repetitively wash their hands, legs, etc. Number two is checkers, who repeatedly check things associated with harm or danger. Number three is doubters or sinners. They, everything is not perfect or done just right, something terrible will happen or they will be punished. Number four type of OCD patient are counters and arrangers, obsessed with order and symmetry. And lastly is herders, that something bad will happen if they throw anything away. Means first one type of patient washer, they repetitively wash their hands or legs, afraid of contamination. They are very much afraid of contamination from dirty or germs. Number two is checkers. If they lock some door also, they check it repetitively. Number three is doubter, means every time they have a doubt in their mind, it happened or not. Next is counter or arranger. This type of person repetitively arrange something or count something. And lastly is hoarders, means they afraid of something is going wrong. Next, coming to the comorbidities associated with obsessive compulsive disorder. So the comorbid conditions are major depressive disorder, bipolar disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, anorexia nervosa, anxiety disorder, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Next, coming to the diagnosis. Diagnosis of obsessive compulsive disorder, only trained persons can perform obsessive compulsive disorder diagnosis. They look for three things. First one is if the patient have obsession. Second is the patient does compulsive behavior or not, and the patient does compulsive behavior and get in the way of important activity the person values, such as working, going to school, or spending time with friends. Next, coming to the non-pharmacological therapy, mainly cognitive therapy is especially helpful for obsessive compulsive disorder. In pharmacologic therapy, antidepressant drugs are used. Next, coming to the side effect of those antidepressive drugs used for obsessive compulsive disorder, the side effects are diarrhea, nausea, insomnia, means lack of sleep, sedation, anxiety, and restlessness. Next, coming to the other treatment option for obsessive compulsive disorder. The other treatment options are psychiatric hospitalization, residential treatment, electroconvulsive therapy. Now ECT is not used usually, but previously it was used. We tell it ECT, means electroconvulsive therapy. We all know about shock therapy. This ECT is that shock therapy. Okay. Transcranial magnetic stimulation and deep brain stimulation. Those are the other treatment options for obsessive compulsive disorder. Next, coming to the psychological treatment. The psychological treatments are modeling, thought stopping, and cognitive behavior therapy. So here I am completing the topic obsessive compulsive disorder. Thank you.